I think Anna's.
Oops. That happened.
https://www.twitch.tv/xmuxwell. Twitch. Zexmuxwell Twitch.
Oops.
Going live on Twitch and YouTube. https://www.twitch.tv/xmuxwell.
I really need to have new audio settings than what I have.
Welcome another viewer.
Hello. I got so many windows. I needed better management of windows. Um, so still working on different aspects of city. I have some lamps going, and some lights. Um, there's a few things I'm gonna change on what I have over here. Do I have... oh. Of course that's not running. At any point in time, feel free to chime up in chat, let me know on the audio levels. Generally, I want music a little low for my voice, but not overpowering. Let's see here. Brain no Ricky. Why brain no Ricky? So if I remember right, yeah, this bar here wasn't working right, or was off kilter. Clean up some of the box cutter stuff, because I don't need it anymore. That's not working either, or not set up right either. Oh well. It's not important. I can always fix that later. So this is what I want duplicated, so I can fix it again. So what I'm making here is different lamps and different buildings for my city. This is a part. These are smaller pieces for a larger project of a cityscape that I'm gonna do a full render of. It's in the style of Tron. However, it's going to be in my cyber city, so to speak, with like my colors and whatnot. Been putting off this project for like a long time, and I really need to finish it. The image is supposed to be rendered out for my Twitter, so I can have my own banner instead of just having a plain a plain grid on my banner. That's what I want. Kind of. Oh, I know what I can do. might want... I'm thinking to change that. What is it in? Yeah. Are these applied? Yes, those are applied. Wow, that... I didn't uniquify this, that's why it's all kind of screwed up like that. Because I need to... Yeah, because and I deleted all the booleans for it too. Oh well. I'm trying to rapid prototype. So some of these things will stay or get cut. I don't know yet. It depends how they look after a while. Sometimes I just make something and then I completely forget I made it. Yeah, no, I don't like how this is going either. Is this mirrored? I think this is mirrored.
Welcome,
mirrored.
Alien Gathering.
Welcome, Alien. I also have a Stream Talker system going, so I can actually hear people when they speak up. However, when people are visiting, I'm not sure if they want to be announced. Oh, we'll just leave it like that for now. Yeah, since my reading is a little slow, sometimes I'd like to have a computer read things for me. And when people are talking in chat, that just makes it a little easier for me. What do I want to do with this? I think I'll just have a regular... Yeah, I'll just...
Thank you for following Zarek7.
Hey Zarek, how you doing? Welcome to the factory.
Hi Zax.
Yeah, let's see here. Oh, we got too many things on screen. I can't see what I'm doing again. My doggo is barking. Rain stopped what I was doing. Okay. Oh. Back over here. I don't want this. Wrong button. There we go. Delete. We're gonna remirror that. have that set up at the bottom screen? Yes, I do. For anyone who's just joining and noticed the graph at the bottom, that's for my purposes later. When I get done with streaming, I'd like to see different aspects of the stream to see how well the satellite internet was working. I also have the stream set up so that if my connection degrades, you'll still stay connected. It's just that you'll have more blockier stream. But I reassure you, it does come back in like 30 seconds or less. And you can see that with the graph and everything. Oops, that's the wrong one. Cutter. So for those any new into 3D modeling, there's one tool that I like to use called Box Cutter, and it allows me to play with different shapes without being destructive. And normally when you make a 3D object, you do something destructively, which is what you do is you pretty much like take a face, drag it out, and then leave it. That is called being destructive. Where doing it with Box Cutter, you're doing it with a Boolean method, which you take two different shapes, right here on the bottom right hand corner, or with modifiers, and you'll be able to cut the shape without destroying the object. Yeah, sure, you have Control Z and Control. You have Control Z and Control Shift Z to bring things back and forth. But there's only so many times you can do that before you lose all your work. Another thing I like to do is have power save, which makes me automatically save things at a given interval, as well as when I want to create a new save file, so I can try recalling back after making major changes. Do I want to leave that? I kind of want to leave that. And now I just applied it, so now the shape is stayed in this form. So in order for me to fix the shape, turn it back into a normal block, is to Control Z it or start over from a save file. Oh, nope. I feel like I am missing something. In terms of art, in terms of like breaking up the shape. Mirror that back over there. Same thing for when it comes to mirrors. This mirror is not this mirror or this object right here on this side of the arch is technically not there. It's only there in a modifier form, which is very temporary. The only time I can make it exist is when I apply it through the apply function. Let's apply that. Apply that. No, wait, no, we're not going to apply that. I want to keep that mirror in case I change something. Sometimes I'll just end up keeping modifiers on the object just because it's like I am very fearful of committing things. It's a habit I need to get out of. I want to add this. What the? That's not an object yet. Duplicate object. Assign it over here. Or align it. And where'd it go? There it is. Play now. Oh. Okay, so now I hid that object and now I'm bringing them back so I can actually see what I'm doing again. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to put on keystrokes. I have a ton of shortcuts that I memorized, and I do it that way so I can try preventing myself from getting carpal tunnel. Yeah, let's do the rotation to the aligning. It's kind of the way I want it. Sort of. Rotate on the x-axis by 90 degrees. I'll try to do my best to call out what modifier or what keystrokes I'm doing. Oh, I just thought of something. Yeah, my potato's there. You know what? Just thought of something that I can do. Near this on the x-axis. Nope. That didn't work. Get off to the side. Select those two. Mirror x-axis. There we go. Okay, I really like that. I'm liking it, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. Okay, and then what I can do, select this again, duplicate the objects. Looks like, oops. Oops. Align, including the rotation. I can't see what I'm doing again. this? Oh, that's an extra object that I don't need. A lot of extra objects that I don't need. No, they've come back. Oh, I just thought of something. Okay, yeah, I'm there. I couldn't remember if I hit go live on the YouTube side, because of course there's weird ways to do live streaming over there. Except on rotation. There we go. There we go. That works. Still don't like how the sides of this, I don't know what to do with yet. I don't like, it seems kind of boring right here. Let me... Let's reselect that. All the faces and redo it. On either side and inset. Oh, that edge is still there. Dissolve the edge. So the way I'm doing the texturing is I'm actually just painting the polygon. This way I can get hard edges and I don't have to do too much UV unwrapping and then just like painting from there. Texturing is kind of my weak point at the moment. It's like I know what to do, but at the same time I don't want to like have it as my focus. Most of the focus I want to go on is the actual 3D modeling portion with hard surface texturing. Okay, yeah, I want to keep the outside. I want to keep that. Or this here. Oh, okay. I need to fix this, because this is... Well, let's apply the shape. So I like that. Good. Good. I could almost call that done. Granted, it looks a little flat, but I think that is mostly a rendering issue or a shading issue. That was an idea. Oh yeah, that's barely doing anything. We're stopping that. Let's go back over here. Cavity's turned on, so I can actually see a little bit more here. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yes, that's the way I want it. I'm gonna call that done. What I need... So, when I was streaming a week ago, or last Friday, I found some things I like to make. So let's... Yeah, we're gonna call this done. We're gonna make a new file, though. Okay. Oh. That's why I can't see anything, because I was isolating. I have... I mean, yeah, I can open up... Yeah, I'll open this up just for showing. So I do have more generic buildings for later. These are going to be used for filler. They're procedurally generated. So I can change the height and width of these things, as well as like, oh, actually no, I can't change the seed or change how many windows are lit up. But yeah, these things are going to be used for filler. In between the other buildings that I created in the kit, in this little kit that I have here. Just so that they're all different in shape and size when I throw it into a randomizer. Let's just make a new one. File. Oh, oops. We want a new one. We want open. Ref. pieces I was going for. It was this one. Let's build this one here. Detail is not necessarily important because it's going to be viewed at a distance when I make a render. Yeah, this is going to be quick and easy. This is not going to take very long at all. Come on. Inset. Oops. Extrude downward. Set this one. Oh, we need to apply. I need to apply the scale because it's not calculating right. Also save it. Apply the scale. If I don't apply the scale, here, I'll try, see if I can try replicating it since I did. Yeah, it's not, when I try scaling down this inset right here, the top part is scaling more than the sides. So you fix that by, by applying scale, and then now if I go back into the inset, it's now insetting equally on all edges, not just the top. And I think it'll be about right there. Oh, wait, you know what? I kind of messed up the building. Oh well, I'll just make another one. More variations in the randomizer. Yeah. Let's paint it. Go into this screen. Oh, I just realized Hard Ops is out of date. So I'm going to add insert on medium scale, and I can already tell it's my new object is pretty big. So let's scale it down a bit. I don't like to make some of my objects too big. Because when it comes to calculating, say like light sources or movement, scaling has issues with it. If I go into this screen each of these larger borders here is about a meter. So when I have it at... If I have the building at this size, which will probably be like... Yeah, each one of these squares is now 10 meters. So it'll screw up the calculations when it comes to, say, like lighting and movement when you're trying to render. Oh, I forgot to name some of these things when I was saving them. I'll just call it something later. Okay, so painting now. Because I brought in another building from my kit, I have already most of the materials already here. What textures am I using? Really? I must have scaled this, this face really tiny, in the UV editor, or the mapping. Okay, well, if that is the case here, let me get rid of it then. Yeah, let's bring this one in. I'm looking at this building again and I'm like, I already see something I want to change. And I don't want to change it, because then I'm gonna have to change... Story of my life. Okay. Add 2 more texture slots. We're gonna have the first slot being one with no windows. Second slot being with windows, and the third slot being the emitter. So that way, by default, it will be blank. But when I put in, or select the other faces, I can do this. And then we have a building. All done. Have anything on the top? No, they don't. Huh. So even their world looks kind of flat. Oh, I see 2 buildings I can try making. One for a challenge, but this other one here that I'm zooming in on right now, I want to make real quick. But I want to do that after a quick restroom break. I'll be right back. I love it when I come back, I see the internet dip to 0, and then spike up again. So yeah, this is the interesting thing when it comes to streaming with satellite internet. I'm thinking the more satellites that Elon Musk launches, the better it's gonna get. But for right now, just doing art streaming, I can just do this. It's no big deal. I just can't play games with it. So if you have anybody that you would like me to collab with, let me know. It's just that I only can collab on their stream. I can't do it on my own, which is no big deal. Oh, that's right. I wanted to make this one again. There you go. Yeah, I didn't want it to... Yeah, let's do this. Paint that. Hey, what's going on here? A sign. Yeah. Here's an example of what happens when you don't apply scaling and trying to fix things. I bet... Oh, that's a line. Forgetting my keystrokes again. Okay, yeah, that's just not gonna work entirely because I gotta fix the UV map now. Okay. Oops. I want to dissolve these edges, yep. And I bet... Send UV. Oh, nope, that did not work. Okay, yeah, it unwrapped as if it was a box, and then I screwed with it, and now it's like that. So, okay, let's fix it. I think what we can do... Okay, we're getting closer, we're getting closer. I think what we can see. Can I just... mark... and then now I should be able to unwrap it correctly. Is that right? Kind of. Okay, let's select this one, mark. And then Zen unwrap. There we go. Now we have a building. Some things need to be rotated. See, this is why I like to just paint faces. Because it's really, as much as I like, Mark has changed it actually. I don't really like to screw around with UV editing if I can help it. There we go. That's a lot better. Everything's the same scale. And it looks like a building. Sort of. Maybe. Possibly. Close that out. Move that off the side for later. Switch back to just regular boring textures. Save some speed on my processor. A new cube. Actually, no. Not a new cube. A new cylinder, probably. I like that. Okay, I do kind of like that. Sort of. What happens if I didn't add an odd number? Is that gonna destroy everything? 65. Yes, it's gonna... God damn it. Okay. We'll stick with 64. Because it's round enough for a distance. Yeah, it looks round enough from a distance. Let's go. Want to just subdivide that? Let's see if I can... What happens if I... Oh wait, no, I'm subdividing in the wrong direction. That's right. Subdivide it here? No. Wow, my brain is stopping. Okay. No. Okay, I think my brain's working again. Let's go like this. Scale it out on the y-axis. Or not. Really? Okay, I guess that's not gonna work. I can mirror it. Yeah, that's what I can do. I can mirror it. Which one's the front? This is the front. Okay, we'll work on this side. Move it. Mirror. Okay, there we go. Now we're cooking with fire. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. Now, is that rounded? No, it's not rounded. Is that auto smoothing turned on? Why does it look funny? Okay, now it's fixed. It's no longer flat. For a moment there, I could see all the individual segments, and if you're trying to make a object round, generally you don't want all those flat panels. I mean, here, I'll show you. See, there we go. This, without sharpening or auto smoothing, you can see all these panels. Sure, at a distance you won't see it kind of like blocky-ish, but when you zoom in, it's there. So what I did is just I add in a sharpen modifier, and that smoothed it out, so it looks like it's an even curve. I'm gonna apply everything because it's gonna apply the mirror. So now we're left with a oval, whatever. Oops. We're gonna extrude it out this way. I just realized this looks like a bread loaf. Oh well. Okay. We don't need these things here as edges. If we left them there, that's going to screw with the calculations, and since we're already marking edges for sharpness, we'll just do that. It's not needed, but it kind of comes with the sharpening that I just did earlier. So it looks like, again, we're going to be painting with faces. So we're going to be adding some geometry. Normally you don't do this to save on resources, but in terms of rendering for games, but since I'm doing this for the sake of art, I can get away with it. And then let's go on here. And we're just going to do a move so we don't have to work with the scaling. Oh, maybe we might have to. Okay. Scale on... Oops. Let's go into object mode. Scale... Oops. Accidentally changed the viewport settings. Object scale on everything but the Z-axis. There? Yes. But needs... maybe it needs to be smaller? I don't know. We'll leave it like that. Oops. Scale that. Scale on the Z-axis. Get these things a little smaller. Actually, we can make a few of them small, a few of them big. Okay, that's overlap. This is not overlap. There we go. Okay. Maybe just do this a few more times. I feel like my processor's having resources issues right now. Why? Come on. Where's my EVGA? There we go. Now it opened up. Well, it's definitely being used, but... weird. Okay, maybe it's just glitch. Who knows? Do that. And then now we need some larger ones. And then... oops, actually... let's... one more set. Again, typically you don't do this. Because you're just adding more calculations when it comes to games. But like I said, this is done. This is for rendering through Blender itself. My video card is pretty powerful, so it can handle this in like no time. I wouldn't be surprised as once the entire world is made and I start doing a render, it'll probably take about 30 seconds and it'll be ready. Oops. Okay, we're gonna apply the scaling. Add 3 textures. we're gonna have everything with no windows. Oops, wrong order. Gonna do it? No, of course not. Actually, I can do this. Copy material to selected. There we go. And then what I can do... Oops, no. There we go. This entire row will have windows. Oh, of course it's... Did I apply the scaling? Actually, no, let's apply all transforms. Let's just do it that way instead. And then move the origin point. Let's see if that did anything. Nope. We're gonna have to fix the UV editing. Of course. Extrude a little bit in. Mark. Back here. There we go. Mark. Oops. Yep, that works. And now I should be able to unwrap this now. Not what I wanted. Did that unwrap? Okay, well, it's better, but it's not the way I want it. Okay, we're gonna select this island. I'm gonna shrink it down because it doesn't matter. Actually, yeah. Select that island because it also doesn't matter. That one. What matters is these corners here. Actually, will it fix? No, it won't fix it that way. Okay, so then let's select everything here. This entire edge. Oops. Okay, well, yeah. Okay, now all the windows are facing the same way. Well, the emitters or the light or the texture that looks like windows is it's windows. Change some of these. Those emitters, and then we got our building. Yay! Done. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that actually. Kind of looks like we got windows disappearing. Better. That's done. I really need to work on mecha stuff. I got so many projects on my list to do. But I figured that if working on a city, it would be good practice to get like some of the fundamentals down pat. Oh man, I'm looking back. I made this like this particular building here a few, like maybe a month or 3 ago, and now that I have more practice, and now that I have like more understanding of Blender and how it works, it makes me want to redo that. Go back to saving. Let's see, what else do I want to make on? Got that one done, that one done. What is this? I still don't know what that is. Okay, yeah, I see one. It's kind of curvy. But it's a simple curve, so it's not that hard. Man, there's really not much detail to that. Okay, yeah, we're gonna start out. the cylinder. Yeah, that's really weird. It's like, if I'm wondering if, yeah, OBS is working fine, CPU usage is fine. When I do, simple projects like this, I never seen my computer stutter a little bit, and there's nothing going on right now. There shouldn't be anything really out of the ordinary. I already forgot. I think this is already... Okay, I think I can just dissolve it. Oh, nope. Faces? Oh, well. Kinda works the way I want it. I just dissolve verts? No. Maybe if I select that and dissolve them. There, well. Yeah, it's not... I think we're just gonna have to do it an easier way, or a simpler way, which is select all these and just delete it. Delete those verts. Delete. There. Wow, I really don't like this music. At least this particular song. Is it almost over? Go with that for a little while. Kind of looks like this here is glass. do that? Because I would like to turn that to glass. I'm just trying to think how I can do that with least amount of polygons. Yeah, I got done saying I didn't need to worry about it too much, but if I add... I mean, maybe I can get it to work? Let's see what happens. Oops. I'm experimenting at the moment. I have no idea if this will work. Add in... I have another building here that has glass on it. That's this one here. Let me bring it in. Starting to get hungry. I think what I can do... Oops. Yeah, let's see if I can curve extract it. Converts an edge into a curve. Is this it? No, that's not it. Curve extract. Convert selection into a plate. Maybe this is it? No. What did I select? Didn't do it. Okay, well, I didn't do it either. Maybe what I can do... Maybe I'm overthinking this. How about I just select all this and duplicate it? I don't want to separate it. I just want a copy of it. Can I just do... Is it just simple to do this? Oh wait, maybe new object from selection. Maybe that's it. Control click. Yep, that was it. Okay. So then I can see, bring it up. Oh, I don't want to focus on it. Fill it. And I'm extruding. Now, one problem I usually have when I do something like that is I get wacky face orientations, and face orientation's fine this time around. And I think I can just change that into a glass. Yep, I can do that. Sharpen it so it curves are rounded, and then we can just put it back. Then, oh, we can unselect it now. Go back to the original object. I want to inset it. Oh wait, we gotta apply the. Oops. I need to apply the scaling on it. Inset. I just want a little bit of a lip. Oh, this is gonna get interesting. Duplicate this object. Oops. Oh wait, no. This still helps me. So I can see what I'm doing. And for this one, we're just gonna make it no windows black. Sharpen that. And then we're going to add more polygons to this. Scale on the Z. Do it in the inside? No, it didn't do it on the inside, but that's fine, we can fix it. Actually, can I do... What happens if I do this? No, it doesn't do anything. We're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Create new edges on the inside. So the reason why I did that is I need geometry to paint in the the glass. Actually, we'll select it right there so we have a bit of a border on it. Oops. Hey. Ow. There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh, wait. That might not work. Okay, I need to make this its own object. That's what I need to do. Stop it. I swear, I never memorize the selection properly. I either accidentally select everything or select some things. Okay, that's not it. That's definitely also not it. Is it? Okay, yeah, it's that button. Okay. What I want to do... Okay, I see what's going on here. Here, we'll just do it manually. Curve extract. We don't want destructive. I think it's this one. Yes. Yep, that's what I want. Okay, so I have a new object from the same rounded shape that I had before. Okay, yeah, that's not what I want. So I can't extrude it, because what it'll do, it will extrude every face in one direction. What I want is extruding it equally from the face. And I think I can do it this way. Yes. Sort of. Oh, yeah, okay. I was going in the wrong direction. Okay, so the next question is which way it's facing. It's facing the correct way. So we'll select. Cover it up. Now we have a watertight object. I will turn this object into glass. Oops. There we go. Now I'm selecting the original object. Okay, this. And now that we have our object, we can delete these faces here. Theoretically. Hopefully. to hide these for now, because I'm getting confused on what faces I'm looking at. Okay, yeah, that works. And then fill all that in. Oh, that's cool. I love that. Yep, that's a solid object with all correct faces. Okay. Let's unhide everything. No, wait, it's Alt H? Yeah, reveal hidden. There we go. And it pretty much goes back the way it was. I wonder if I, did I... Yeah, something's not right here. Can I just... Yeah. Just scale it in. It's not entirely correct. Oh, actually. I want to scale everything but the Z. There we go. So now we're gonna make the PC work really hard now. Let's not do it this way. It's my camera. So if I did it right, let me save everything because I never rendered while streaming before. Wow, major difference in rendering when streaming. Come on, there, almost done. There. Took 30 seconds while streaming, but that's what it looks like. I think what I can do to speed that up. Go over here. Where is rendering? Yeah, right here. Because I can never remember. 60. And 80 divided by 2 is 540. I thought I was close to that. Okay. Everything, no windows. Let's see what I'm doing. Again with windows. Oh, okay. The UV is not set up correctly again. I think what we can do is select all that. Arc. Oh. Would help to select everything. There we go. Then rotate these. Good enough. Like that. I feel like there needs to be a border right here. Yeah, there needs to be a border there. Let me go back into it. We have a better border now. Unmark. And then mark it again. Select those again. There. Better. Let's see how it renders. Okay, it's rendering on my other screen now. There we go, 10 seconds in rendering. And it's semi-translucent. The window is semi-translucent, which will look really neat at a distance. It might need a light source in there. I don't know yet. I'll have to figure that out when I actually get everything in. Oops. Is that all one? Yep, I selected everything. So quick menu for parenting? No, I think it's just, yeah, it's right here, parent. Hopefully I can parent this up. I think it's just parent with transforms. Keeping transforms didn't do anything, so I'm thinking that's probably the right way to do it. And then hopefully I can just move this around now, and yep, the windows go with it. We're done there. Okay. Under it. Seconds in rendering. I think I need to change the focal length. Camera settings. Maybe I have to select it. Oh, I am selected. Do I change light paths? I forget where the settings is for changing the focal length. Not film. Under output? Figure it out later. Because I want to zoom out a bit more with the camera so I actually can see what the building looks like with the transparency. Because when you're in viewports, it doesn't show very well, or it doesn't render everything. Okay, that's a little better. Took 5 seconds that time. And I had too much caffeine today, so I'm gonna have to do a restroom break pretty soon. Is Command and Conquer? Oh, SimCity. Oh, just like moved it way up. Good enough. So I need to stop. I need to take a break for a second. So I'll be right back. And while away, let me add a window. game capture? Oh, it might be window capture, but let me try this first. Weird. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. Oh, there we go. Window capture. Add. There we go. Hey, I got it working. We don't need to capture its cursor. We can just... I don't know where to put this. Just put it right there for right now. Be right back. Okay. What else should I build? I do this. Okay, yeah, it just closes it out. Haha! Oh, that's funny. Okay. I'll probably do one more thing. While I want to do streaming, I also want to ease into it so I get it into the habit for my daily life. Oops, it would help to switch back over here. My dog is barking. I don't think I have any tall buildings. Well, wait, no, that's a lie. I have tall buildings. I kind of like this one. Let's do one more quick one. That should be a quick one right there. Oh. Start out with another cube. And I like to put a default color on my cube. I like this metallic one. I got it from like a Kit Bash kit. It came with like a default color of its own. I don't know what it is. But in this view, it looks metallic. Actually, no. In this view, it looks metallic and kind of shiny, and it makes it easy for me to see all the edges, curves on it. Yeah, this is going to be a very quick one. I think most of the changes I'll be making will be through textures. So let's get it pretty... Get it to a decent size. Hey, I don't want that. No translucence. I find it interesting that there's not very many windows on it. So, I think what it is... Oh, yeah, we don't want pass-through. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's apply the scaling on it. Copy. Select. Apply. Scale. Yeah, kind of. Oh wait, no, it's definitely not that. Let's scale it. Again, want to apply the scale on it because I don't know how much it changed. I think I would put a helipad on this one. Do I? I'll make a variant with a helipad on it. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Let's see here. Can I just subdivide? I can, but it subdivides everything. Let's do it this way. Subdivide. No, still did. Oh, because I'm okay. There we go. Just realized I probably should have subdivided it even more. Oh well. Isolate it so I can do this. Yep, that's what I want. Go to texturing? Yeah, let's go to texturing. We're gonna take this one, select that one. Oh wait, no. This, then this. Copy textures to selected. Windows are horizontal, but no big deal. Oh. I'm gonna have to fix the UV editing. Yay! And add that to F for an accent, and we're pretty much done. Okay, you're up there. I need Zen. There it is. So what happens if I unwrap everything? Okay. We're gonna get some stretching. It's a little better. Select all this. If I do angle based for that. Okay, well, kind of works. Let's just go over here. Okay, we're gonna have to really work on this. So, UV editing I hate. I don't like it. I just wish there's like easier ways to do the same thing. Oops. Okay, now we should be able to edit this. This is gonna get all kinds of wonky. 1 second. Oh, this is gonna be not fun. Because there's no easy way to like rotate everything. Without getting confused. There we go. Get everything top. Everything there. How is it? Very squished. I was afraid of that. So I can squish everything and make it very stylized. Oh, where am I? Am I over here? Yes. I think that's what we'll have to do, is squish everything. And hopefully nobody will look too closely at it. Yep. That's pretty good. It's kind of distorted, but like I said earlier today, it's gonna be rendered in a cityscape. Not every detail is gonna be shown. I'm gonna have to look up that, what was it? There's geometry or geo node mapping that I need to brush up on that it can allow me to distribute all these things in a randomized manner. I think that's probably what I'll end up doing off stream, because I don't like to stream something that while I'm learning it, because it just feels a little slow and boring in my point of view. I would rather like stream something while I'm actually making something rapidly like I just did. So I'm gonna call it for today. Let's see here. I think oh yeah, and the internet's always going up and down. That's kind of interesting. So I think I'll just end up raiding someone for sake of practice. Let's see, who is on? If you know any artists or other 3D modelers, let me know. So okay, I have someone in mind right now. So for the people on YouTube,
https://www.twitch.tv/witcheru.
And that's my text-to-speech that I use a lot. For those of you on YouTube, I'll throw you a link into chat so you can join down the raid. If I have YouTube up.
/witcheru.
And so for those of you on YouTube, you can join in on the raid. Have that ready and pretty much... Oops. Oh, there we go. I do plan on streaming 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll be doing more 3D modeling for the cityscape, and maybe I'll throw it into a node randomizer once I figure out how that works. I also need to save all these new objects that I just recently made. And let's get a rating. Once again, thank you for joining. We can raid Witcheru. See you there.